Hello, this is Chris with Kunze Analytics. Thanks for watching this video. Today I'd like to demonstrate how it's possible to use predictive data mining algorithms to coach branch managers. I recently did a study with a client in the financial services industry, and there were a group of branch managers around the country who completed an assessment online. We discovered that 3 of the traits that were measured by the assessment were predictive of increased customer service scores. On the board here, you see some results for a number of branch managers and their customer service rating. So this first branch manager had a score of 98. This one 96, 92, and this last one had the lowest score of 90. Now, when we used our data mining algorithms, we were able to predict the scores quite accurately. And you can see the error that we had. We did have error here that was 1.6. Was difficult to predict for this top performer with the highest customer service score, but we were quite accurate with the rest of the group here. And the 3 traits were manageability, which is the tendency to follow policies, accept supervision, and work within the rules. People contact, which is a tendency to be outgoing, people-oriented, and to participate with others. These are behavioral traits, manageability and people contact, whereas the third feature or variable has to do with an interest, the sales and business interest, activities in which one uses persuasiveness and enjoys presenting ideas and influencing others. So if we were to look at this group and decide to coach the branch manager with the lowest customer service score, who scored a 6 in manageability, a 3 in people contact, and had a Stenine score of 2 on the sales and business interest, then we would find which numbers here, which changes would be have the most impact on customer service. Having looked at this previously, by adding 2 units to manageability, increasing the manageability, and also increasing people contact by 2 units, we see a jump of customer service scores predicted of increased 3%. And so this gets us to a customized coaching plan for this lowest scoring branch manager, and of course through conscious effort and willpower tied to different tasks and responsibilities. The regional sales manager, the regional or area sales manager would do the coaching, or whomever is in charge of the group of branch managers in a certain geographical area would then use this information diligently to help increase customer service at this branch. So thanks for watching this video. This is Chris with Kunze Analytics. We are predicting performance through analytics and helping you decide with data. Thanks and have a great day.